Hi guys, today I'm going to make super easy carrot halwa. To make this I'm going to need these ingredients which I have listed in the description below as well. To start with I'm going to take 1.5 kgs of grated carrot in a pressure cooker. Add 2 cups of full fat milk to it. Top it up with enough water just to cover all the carrot. Now I'm going to cover it and put it on pressure. I'm not going to mention how many whistles to give because cooking time depends on a lot of factors such as size of the pressure cooker and things like that. Just make sure that when you're done, carrots are really soft. As you can see, it still has a lot of water, so I'm going to start reducing all this water. Now I'm going to add half cup of sugar to it and mix it all together and let the water reduce further. As you can see, all the water has reduced. Now I'm going to take a kadai and add 2 teaspoons of ghee to it. Once this has melted, I'm going to transfer all the cooked carrot to this kadai. I'm going to fry this carrot for about 15 minutes till all the water has totally reduced. Then I'm going to add half cup of milk powder, half teaspoon of cardamom powder and half teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together and fry for another 15 to 20 minutes. If you have khoya, you can add khoya as well. Where I stay, I don't get khoya, so I use milk powder instead. It's quite well fried now. If you wish, you can fry till the oil separates. I'm going to add saffron to it and give it a good stir. Now in a pan, I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of ghee. And add dry nuts to it. You can take any dry nut you want, pistachios, cashews, almonds, raisins if you like. I'm only taking 1 cup of almonds. I'm going to fry it till it reaches goldenish in color. I like my gajar halwa to be really nutty, so I add quite a lot of it. You can reduce the quantity if you wish. Also ensure that once you add the fried nuts to your gajar halwa, you do not cook the halwa more because then the nuts would lose its crunchiness and become soggy. I'm happy with the color, so I'm going to add this to my gajar halwa. Give it a quick stir and switch off the gas. If you've liked this recipe, then please do like this video, leave a comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.